Alright, good morning, Miss Amina. Good morning. Today we are going to do evaluation, yeah. I will evaluate for LP and then for regularist and then homework. So I will start from LP questions. Okay. So this is for health education. Okay.
LP health education is.
Yeah. You may hear guru menjelaskan kembali materi di halaman 18 sampai 19. What kind of material that was? What kind of topics?
The topic is how we care our nose and ears.
How?
Yes. For example, we can wipe our nose gently, and then we cannot dig our ears with cotton bud, and then about it means so we
About ears, what?
about how we care our nose and ears means.
Nose, just now you said we wipe our nose gently by using
wipes.
tissue.
Yes, tissue.
Okay. What for you ask the students to wipe the nose using tissue gently? What for is that? Why do they must do that? I mean, why must they do that?
Because when we flew, we wipe our dirty nose with gently, not hard like
You don't press too hard.
yes, you don't press hard. You must wipe your nose gently with nice.
Okay, so how about the ears?
The ears, we cannot answer the cotton bud. We cannot dig our ears with cotton bud. So we must if our ears feel sick, we can go to hospital to check in, and then we must check our ears regularly, and then yes, and then after we shower or swimming, we must wipe our ears from water.
So it means that for just now I can make a conclusion for how will we take care of our nose and ears. He said that we will wipe our nose gently by using tissue if there is a snot, there is a snot, and then we cannot make it out too hard, yes. Okay, so if gently, must be gently, yes. And then how about ears? We say just now that we will not use cotton bud to pick our ears, but we need to go to the doctor for checking. Something bad happened like that. Okay. So, what kind of difficult words that you will give to the students from the health education subject? Because just now you said, I saw that you put here kata-kata sulit. Can you tell me what kind of difficult words and how many?
I think any 4 difficult words: injure, dig, and then treatment. Yes, treatment, and then one more. smell is how we sense the smell of food.
Smell? Is it?
Injures.
Injure.
I'm so sorry, injure. Oh yeah, injure is melukai, Miss. Bahasa
In English.
in English, when we to feel you we our body feels sick with your like that, Miss.
Our body feels sick.
Yes, like melukai you.
That's like psycho harm to a person or animal like that, injured.
Yes, by yourself or another people like that, Miss.
Or to hurt or cause
Yes,
psycho
like
harm.
I'm so sorry,
to
to
a
hurt
person.
yourself or other people.
Like that. That's really when you want to explain this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Too hard, yes.
Okay, how about dig?
Make a hole in the soil, like, and you dig your heels.
Or to like to form a hole.
Yes, form a hole your ears.
Okay, so sometimes for our ears using the mud,
Yes.
so we dig it.
Yes.
We dig the things in our ears by using the mud and this, yeah. Okay, so this is
The trick is you I'm sorry, yeah. You
to form a hole.
form a hole in your ears.
To take something dirty in our ears. Sometimes we can use cotton bud. Okay, to dig, yeah. Okay. Is it only about our ears? Dig? We use dig.
Maybe in our
So in this lesson, focus to our part of body, like ears, like that. So you will not give another example besides of parts of our body.
Yes.
Will you?
Yes, I can use. For example, we cannot dig our nose because any something dirty in our nose we cannot dig.
That's the part of our body. And besides that,
Besides that,
will you tell to them, or will you give another example to them?
for example, if we can make a hole in the soil if we want to plant plants
To grow plants.
yeah to grow plants we can make a hole to make it grow with the soil.
You will make a hole on the soil.
Yes.
Okay, and then you will put inside with the plant to make it grow.
Yes.
How about treatment?
Treatment is how we can to treatment in bahasa menyembuhkan, Miss. And how to recover our body when we feel sick. Yes.
How
we treat or recover our body well when we feel sick.
Okay, how about food dentist now? Toothpick.
Toothpick is a small stick to use cleaning our teeth.
So is it good if we do that by using toothpick?
It's okay, Miss.
That's okay.
I think no, I cannot, Miss.
So how will the students clean their teeth?
We can clean our teeth with toothbrush.
Okay. So by using toothpick cannot be used.
Cannot be used.
Yes. Okay. So you need to explain them that toothpick is used. It's like a small thin But students, that is not good to be used. Yeah, later your gums or your teeth will be bleeding. So that's why when you feel your teeth is dirty, you can use toothbrush like that. Yeah. So you experience it now. It means okay, wait, cannot be used. Okay, we move to the next. Because sometimes when we explain about this, right, sometimes we think that oh, it's good to be used like that. So we need to explain to them so that they will not practice it. I mean to do it, right? Yeah. Okay, how about bahasa Indonesia, Miss? Guru membimbing murid untuk membaca bacaan. What is that? What kind of story is that? What kind of facts? You forgot the story. The page 50, 5 to 58. Do you remember? Kata sapaan ya? That's about sapaan.
Yes, Miss, kata sapaan.
What is it, Miss?
Kata sapaan seperti selamat pagi, apa kabar.
Oh, ada ya?
Ini Miss ada selamat pagi, apa kabar, maaf, meminta maaf, tolong, terima kasih, permisi, dan
How will you explain that?
in Indonesia.
Yeah. Because this is bahasa Indonesia, it's okay.
Jadi saya menjelaskan itu ketika kita ini mengenai kata sapaan ya Mas. Ketika kita bertemu dengan guru pada pagi hari, maka kita apa yang kita ucapkan pada saat itu, selamat pagi Ibu Guru, halo selamat pagi Ibu Guru, seperti itu Mas. Dan ketika kita mau bertanya kepada orang yang tidak kita kenal, apa yang kita ucapkan, permisi, saya mau bertanya, seperti itu. Nah, ketika kita menerima bantuan pertolongan dari teman atau dari orang lain, maka kita mengucapkan apa? Terima kasih. Nah, seperti itu. Nah, apabila kita tidak sengaja mendorong teman, mendorong orang lain, orang yang tidak sengaja mendorong seperti itu, maka kita harus mengucapkan apa? Kita harus mengucapkan maaf, mohon maaf, minta maaf, seperti itu.
Okay, so will you tell them that every morning before they go to the lobby again after they arrive, right? In the morning, every morning, will you say to them that you must greet your teacher? Yeah. So yeah, I think you need to say that because I still see that some of the students like ignore the teacher, right? That's why in the class also we need to remind the students also. So when you meet your teacher, you must greet the teacher. Don't just pass the teacher. That's impolite. Okay, we move to the vocabulary. So. Okay, can you please tell me about some difficult words in Bahasa Indonesia that you will deliver to the students, Miss?
Bahasa Indonesia, Miss.
Golden open. Yeah.
Bahasa Indonesia, negeri,
ya.
Negeri. Saya ini ada 3 tuh, Miss. Negeri, lalu
What is negeri?
Negeri adalah suatu tempat untuk suatu tempat untuk suatu tempat tinggal nih, seperti
Tempat tinggal.
ya mungkin saya bisa menjelaskan dengan contoh ya Miss.
Boleh.
Seperti contohnya kita tinggal di negeri Indonesia, jadi negeri itu adalah suatu tempat di mana kita tinggal seperti itu Miss.
Oke, and then only that.
I think any place.
Hanya negeri, hanya itu tempat tinggal gitu. Miss gak jelaskan bahwa di negeri itu ada beragam suku, ada beragam budaya, agama gitu. Miss gak jelaskan. Jadi nanti Miss perlu jelaskan ya bahwa negeri itu merupakan suatu kota atau tanah tempat kita tinggal, di mana dalam negeri itu ada beberapa agama, ada berbagai macam suku, kebudayaan gitu nanti. Boleh Miss tambah ya. Oke. What else? The vocabularies. Remember? Remember? Okay, we move to science, yeah? Science. Okay. Can you please explain to me what will you deliver question for next week? The topic?
From LP.
What is that? Yeah? Oh, like pulling, pushing, like that. What is that?
Okay, Miss. When we want to move something, we must have we must have power to move something.
What is that? Is that pushing or pulling?
Pulling and pushing is when we want to pull some. We want
Okay, start from pulling first. What's pulling?
Pulling menarik Miss. Yes, pulling is menarik.
English.
In English. Yes, in English pulling. If we want to pulling something, we need a force. We need force to make it move. For example, if we want to
Pushing also. So what's the difference?
Pulling, you pull to move. For example, pulling, when we move the object to move back.
To move back.
Yes, Miss. Move back. For example, you move back your table like that. Pulling your table. Raise your table.
By pushing.
About pushing is you move back. Jadi kalau orang tuh
Push.
push like that.
The question is what is pushing?
The pushing is if you want to push something, you have power to make it push. For example, if you want to push a door, you must have power to make it open like that.
Yeah, but for pulling and pushing also we need power to make it move. It's impossible like when you do something you don't make it move and then you don't need any power. Both of them are use power, right?
Yes, Miss.
So maybe like this, yes. When pulling it means that you how to say that? You take something out. You take something out. Yeah, maybe away from one place. You take something out, right? Right? Pull. Okay. So when pushing, maybe how to say that? move something away. That's pushing. Pulling to.
To make something away for ourselves.
No, that's pushing. To make it to move it away, right? That's pushing.
Pushing.
So
The pulling is to the
to take something out.
Yeah, to take something out from ourselves.
To make it closer. Can be right?
Yes.
According to me, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe you can add. You can develop more, yeah. Develop more. Maybe you can add by using example also, yeah. But for the definition must be clear first. Because for pulling and pushing also need a power to make it move, right? Wow. So what's the difference means? So let's say that, right? Okay. So what kind of difficult word in science?
In science, everything is PC.
Scientist.
Any science campus. Sciences.
Pieces.
Yeah, pieces.
What is that?
Pieces is a scientist to solve
Pieces. Yes, pieces. The
Yes.
person, right? So?
Person. Meaning is
Mhm.
definition is a science to
This one, you make the posture.
when I explain a
We
science.
hear first how to say that. Wait, yeah.
Physicist.
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 Okay.
Physicist.
No.
Physicist.
Repeat, yeah.
Physicist.
Like that. Physicist.
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 So there is like T at the end of the sound, like physicist. Physicist. Like that. Physicist. Like that. Okay. So tell me, what is that? What is physicist?
A science who study about how the world to work.
How a person who
A science to study how the world to work.
how the world
The world to work.
to work. Maybe you can tell about a person first. A person who studies physics. Physics is like how the world is working like that. So like physics is a person, the person
Person to study
who
about
studies physics, right? I think, in my opinion, yeah. Okay. What else, Miss? Except physicists.
any fridge.
Fridge. What is that, Miss?
Fridge is like for persons. Fridge is cold. Fridge is cold box to keep our food still cold. It is.
Only food?
Maybe all snack, drink, vegetable.
Yeah, that's why you must say completely, yeah. It's not only food, but also can be drink, can be, yeah, like you said, just no snack, can be vegetables, right? So is it different with refrigerator? Is it different with refrigerator, Miss?
Refrigerants.
Refrigerator, yeah. It's refrigerator, is it different? Different, that's different, is it?
Maybe it's similar.
The same. Why does it say it's same? Fridge and refrigerator, is it same or different?
Freezer.
No, that's different.
di freezer
Refrigerator. Between fridge, like you said this now, right? And refrigerator. Is it same or different?
I don't know what is the difference.
So that's what we are saying. So fridge is the abbreviation of refrigerator, singkatan. Yeah. So like we have two names, maybe like Monica Stokol, but we just call Monica like that. So that's like fridge and refrigerator. Let's say fridge is abbreviation, singkatan, from refrigerator. Okay.
So it's same.
Yeah, freezer is different. Freezer is something make a food to how to say that? Freezer is like to make food freeze colder, right?
Yeah.
Than fridge, right?
Yes.
Yes. It can make something frozen, right?
Yes.
Cool. Yeah. Okay. Only that is only this is it in the fridge.
Next time I will open the cupboard first.
Okay, so here I will check first. Not only that actually, so there is still opposite.
What's it?
Mm.
Oh, the other side is
Other side is that?
opposite itu.
The other side or direction? Yes. Can you explain more, Miss? More, clear. More complete, I mean. Can you please explain the meaning of opposite?
Opposite is the other side. How to explain it? I know, but I can't explain.
So the opposite means like the other side that is different like that. So when you face the west, so on your behind or the opposite of west will be east like that.
Is
Yeah, timur, timur barat.
oh yeah.
Right. West. So when you face west, so the opposite of west is
Oh yes, yes.
yes, is it? Yeah, you must explain it to the student. And then you need to show the students. So here, students, you face the whiteboard. For example, this one whiteboard. And so what is the opposite of the whiteboard? Look at your back. Look at your behind. What is that? Wall, right? So yes, but will you explain that? Or maybe you can make like this, Miss. The opposite of tall. What is tall?
Yes, yeah, I remember what that means.
Yes. What is the opposite of
That
tall?
means
Is that? Show
what's the opposite of pride?
What is the opposite of?
Pride.
Can be, right? Yes. Okay. What is the opposite of lazy? Lazy, that is right. What is it? Lazy.
Malas. Oh, semangat.
What is that?
Pride.
Lazy. What is that?
Malas.
So what's the opposite of lazy?
Semangat.
Diligent. Lazy.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. How many good pieces? Listen. Okay then. So the opposite is in the morning. Yeah. Ipas. Ipas. Oke. Guru menanyakan siswa kembali I mean, I just want to ask, what was it about?
Okay.
Or, yeah.
Nah, jadi mereview minggu lalu itu mengenai hewan yang memakan tumbuhan, hewan, dan tumbuhan dan daging seperti carnivora, herbivora, dan omnivora.
So what do we call that?
Hewan herbivora seperti
Yeah. Herbivora, carnivora.
ya herbivora, carnivora,
And then?
dan omnivora.
Oh, okay.
Nah,
So what is the difference? Three of them.
Karnivora adalah hewan, misalnya nih hewan pemakan tumbuhan disebut dengan hewan herbivora. Lalu hewan pemakan daging disebut apa? Hewan omnivora. Lalu hewan pemakan daging dan tumbuhan apa? Hewan karnivora. Seperti itu, Miss. Contohnya hewan pemakan tumbuhan apa? Jerapah, seperti itu, Miss. Lalu apa hewan pemakan daging? Singa, seperti itu, Miss. Lalu apa hewan pemakan daging dan tumbuhan? Nah, misalnya seperti beruang, hewan karnivora, pemakan daging dan tumbuhan, seperti itu, Miss. Dan juga hewan jenis mengenal ini Miss, memelihara, bagaimana cara merawat hewan, seperti itu, Miss. Cara merawat hewan. Nah, ada 4 cara merawat hewan. Yang pertama, memberi tempat tinggal yang nyaman. Lalu yang kedua, setelah kita memberikan tempat tinggal yang nyaman, kita membersihkan tempat tinggalnya agar hewan tersebut terhindar dari penyakit. Miss. Lalu yang ketiga, memberi makanan dan vitamin serta minuman agar hewan kita tetap sehat. Miss. Lalu yang keempat, ketika hewan kita sakit, maka kita harus membawa hewan kita ke dokter hewan.
Oke. Jadi sering mengecek kesehatan hewan tersebut ya. Oke. So next was English. Can you please explain the material for the food here? Types of food. Yeah. The topic is types of food. What is that?
English ya, Miss?
Mm-hmm.
The types of food.
Yeah. Types of food.
Miss, lihat yang di hari.
This is English. This is your LP chapter 4, page 54.
Lunchtime.
Guru menjelaskan materi tentang types of food. What's that? That's your topic for next week. This one. Types of food.
Itu yang di hari apa, Miss? Di situ tidak.
What is it?
Oh iya.
Ah.
Oke, Miss. Sorry.
How come you forget? Okay. Can you please explain this?
How the types of food
Yeah, just explain to me. What do you know about types of food?
types of food in the book study about fruit, about lunchtime, Miss.
Lunchtime.
Yes, for
What's that?
lunchtime, like pizza and then apple.
What's it good for lunch? Pizza.
Pizza, no, Miss.
So?
No, because if you bring your lunch box, yeah, you must eat healthy food, like you bring rice, you bring fish, and then you bring egg, and then you bring vegetable and rice, fried rice, and you must bring fruit too, like apple. You bring banana, and then you bring some fruit, like that means.
I mean, why did you tell about pizza just now?
Pizza is unhealthy food. You cannot.
That's why you need to make the differentiation between foods that are not good for our body with foods that are good for our body. I think that like that. And then you will explain. You will give some examples of the foods that is not good for our body, right? And then you will explain also the food that is good for our body, like that. So that's why she learns for lunchtime. We need to eat, right? And then you must bring the healthy food. Okay, what are they means? Okay, the first you must bring rice, bring vegetables like this one. So you will give some vegetables right to them, the name, the list of the vegetables, and then bring fruits like this one, orange or something like that, right? While the foods that is not good for our body is pizza, junk food like this one, right? I think like that. Okay. Because just now you didn't make a clear definition about the differentiation between of these kinds of food, while your material or your topic is about types of food. So why did you go directly to pizza? So students will be confused, right? So you need to to make it clear the definition, I think, according to me, yeah. And then here the vocabulary, what is that? For the science. English, sorry. For English. Science already just now, yeah. What's this?
English.
Soil? Yeah.
Yes, soil.
What's that? Soil is vegetables.
Soil, vegetables.
What soil?
Soil is soil in bahasa tanah, and then if we want to make a playground, we need soil to make it grow.
That's this example. I want the definition first.
Definition is soil is something in the ground, and then in some soil is
Ground material for supporting the plant to grow. Yes, that's soil. Why vegetables? What is that?
vegetables.
Yeah.
Vegetables is types of foods. This is types of foods. Vegetable is types of food. Vegetables is types of food.
But you wrote down here plants part that produce food. Right there. Vegetables are parts of plants like leaves, roots, or stem that people eat to stay healthy, such as potatoes, lettuce. Oh, you must remember this minutes. Okay, please read it more. How will you explain to the students if you don't know about this one? So what is the bonus? Okay, nothing. That's all for our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.